Here she goes. Catch.
Catch.
Oh, ready? You want to get it? Go. Go get it. It's a ghost. It's okay. It's nice. Go get it. Go get the ball. What? What? What's wrong? Come on. It's a nice ghost. Here you go. You want this? Okay, ready? Are you gonna throw it to me? No, don't run to me. You're supposed to throw it.
Catch it. Catch.
Okay. Wow, ready? You catch. Go catch. Did you get it? Come on, baby. What is it? It's a ball? Thanks. Here it comes. I got it. You want it?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Where you going? What's that?
Picture.
A picture.
See, picture too.
Say,
A picture.
this is serious. Is it serious? Maddie, is it serious? Say, this is... What? Maddie, can you say, whew, that was close. Hey, you can't throw it over there. I can't catch it if you throw it that way. Come here. Oh, you gotta bring it over here. Over here. Here, Maddie. I want it. Oh, thanks. Say, phew, that was close. Can you say it? Oh, phew, that was close.
Thanks.
What is it?
It's a ball. Picture.
A picture.
Picture.
Yeah, I know, it's a picture. Good job.
A picture. Picture.
What is it?
A picture in the house. This is a picture.